Right, I'm setting myself a 24-hour challenge with this HG mould spray. We've got a washing machine here where the door seal is as dirty as hell, and this mould spray will work wonders. Let me show you how to do it, and tomorrow morning, let's see what the results are. There you go, look at all the mould inside the door seal as well. It's dirty, pure filth. Let's give this a go. So to start with, all I'm doing is buffing up the door seal, getting rid of any old grime, dirt, by using the pink stuff cream cleaner and getting my hands really in there to get rid of any grime. As you can see, it's coming out on this rag. The prep is really important. I also use a little wire wool just to rough it up, clean as much as I can out. Once I feel like everything's good and I've cleaned out as much grime as possible, I've now started with the HG mould spray, just spraying up the door seal, then by using the old rags, spraying them up so they become a little bit damp. Once I've used all the rags, I then go onto the paper towels, again wet them up with HG mould spray and then just damp it down on the actual door seal itself, as you can see here. And once I feel like everything's covered with the mould spray, we're good to go. Now that's all done, we just sit and wait for 24 hours. As if by magic, it's now 24 hours ago since I last sprayed this washing machine door seal with this HG mould spray. Let's peel it off and let's see how it looks. Wow, it's looking better. Outside looks amazing, really good. Now let's see what the inside looks like. Okay, so there still is mould in there. An improvement, but let's see if we can get it a little bit better. We gave it 24 hours for the mould spray to work its magic. It has somewhat. I think I need to do it again and progress and do another 24 hours. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, helps our channel grow, and thanks for watching.